Hey everyone, Bara here from SVGO, and today I'm super excited to introduce to you our brand new action camera built for the thrill of the road. Meet the SVGO C1. The C stands for cycling, and trust me, whether you're hitting the open road or cruising through scenic parks, this little powerhouse is designed to capture every moment of your journey. Ready to see what it can do? Let's dive in. Alright, let's unbox the SVGO C1 and see what's inside. First off, the packaging is so sleek, just like the camera itself. And here is our start of the show, the SVGO C1 cycling camera. Compact, lightweight. Now, let's check out the accessories. You've got everything you need to hit the road. This line control button lets you start, stop, recording or snap photos without touching the camera, perfectly for safety and convenience. Of course, a sturdy handlebar mount to secure your camera right where you need it. A USB cable for charging and data transfer. Simple and fast. Two O-shaped rubber rings. These little guys help you dampen vibration for smoother footage. And of course, the user manual. Though, trust me, the SVGO C1 is so intuitive, you might not even need it. Everything thoughtfully packed and ready to go. Now, before we mount it, let's power up the SVGO C1 and take a quick tour of its sleek interface and control. Trust me, you'll love how intuitive it is. Let's power up the SVGO C1 and explore its smart design. First, the controls, simple but powerful. This center button is your multitasker. Long press to power on and off. Short press to circle through modes like videos, photos, and GPS. The right button is your action trigger. Start and stop recording. Take photos. And confirm selection. One touch control for no fuss operation. Guess what? Here is a cool bonus. A dedicated flashlight button, perfect for night rides or emergency lighting. Down here, we've got a Type-C port with a protective cover for charging and data transfer, a micro SD slot. Note, our standard version doesn't include a card, so you want to grab one, of course. We also have packages equipped with SD cards. You can buy them as needed. The camera has 3 lighted buttons, one for charging, one when the camera is on, and one when we're taking a photo. Pro tip: some units might have residual charge while others might need initial charging. Totally normal. Now, let's check out the built-in GPS and cycling data tracking. A game changer for serious riders. First, I'll tap the mode button to switch to GPS. Here, the screen displays 5 key metrics. Top row, your exactly latitude and longitude, perfect for navigation and logging routes. Middle row, directions like digital compass or barometric pressure, great for weather-aware rides. Bottom row, altitude and slope gradient, essential for hill climbers. Pro tip: if data doesn't pop up immediately, don't worry. Just give it about 2 minutes outdoors to sync with satellites. It's worth to wait. Next up, cycling data mode. This is where things really get fun. The screen now shows 6 live stats. Top left, your real-time speed so you can pace yourself, top right, total distance tracked, middle row, ride duration and odometer, your all-time mileage. Bottom row, max speed and average speed for bragging rides. And here is the cool part. Press the right button, aka the OK shutter button, to dive into your current ride. Stats, live speed, trip time, distance, plus your max and average speeds for this season. It's like having a bike computer built for your camera. Yes, the SVGO C1 lets you check both your field trip data and individual segments. Perfect for coffee breaks, just a long press right button to reset your current session, while keeping your overall totals intact. Ride, pause, repeat, it's all recorded. Time to connect your SVGO C1 to your phone for the next level control. Just tap the mode button to switch to Wi-Fi mode. Here you will see the Wi-Fi's name and password to connect directly to handy QR code. First code scans to download the RoadCam app available on Google Play and App Store. The second code quickly connects your phone to the camera. Wi-Fi, no manual typing needed. Now, let me show you why the RoadCam app is your ultimate riding companion. With 3 killer features: camera control, changes video quality, switch slow-mo and fast motion, all with just few steps. Real-time GPS, even without phone signal, see exactly where you are, perfect when exploring new trails. Relive your ride, watch your videos and track your routes states anytime. Every climb, every sprint captured perfectly. All this in one simple app, making every ride smarter and more fun. So, whether you're tracking progress, crafting content, the SVGO C1 and the RoadCam app keep you connected. No hassle, all adventure. Now, let's get your SVGO C1 mounted and ready to roll. Here is how. First, attach the camera, align mount screw hole with the camera base, rotate clockwise until snug, no tools needed. Second, screw the handlebar, wrap the base around your handler bar, follow engraved diagram for angle guidance. Tighten up the strap for wobble-free fit and add the line control. Pick a spot on your handlebar, left or right, your choice, so I'm going to choose left. Loop the O-ring to lock it in place. Then, plug the cable into the camera USB port. And there you go. This clever remote has 2 orange buttons. Right button, left button. The right one press starts, stop recording. No fumbling mid-ride. Left button, 100 dB horn with 5 other tones. Perfect for busy trails or emergencies. Last in is the powered by 2500 mAh battery. The SVGO C1 runs for 3.5 hours. Enough for an epic weekend adventure. You're all set? Hit the road and let the SVGO C1 handle the rest. And that's the SVGO C1 in action, your ultimate cycling companion. Ready to capture your ride? Grab yours today on our official SVBONY website, AliExpress, eBay, Lazada, Shopee, and so on. Check the description for direct links. Here is something special. We're launching SVGO C1 Experience Officer Program. You, as an officer, you'll get free SVGO C1 test on your rides, share your adventures, to help fellow cyclists win an epic rewards for your creativity. How to join? Just click on our link in the description, fill out the form, upload your best cycling photo video. Safety first, always follow your local traffic rules. We can't wait to see your journey. Let's redefine cycling together. Thank you all and ride on. This is just the beginning. The SVGO series is rolling out more actions, packed gear soon, including the versatile SVGO action camera for your all adrenaline needs, and the tiny but mighty SVGO M1 M for mini, a thumb-sized powerhouse coming your way. Stay tuned, stay adventurous, and keep chasing the horizons. This is Badr from SVGO, and let's hit up the road.